Racing just is started with a scramble in front position. Barefoot contest moving up the outside, cuts away. Enjoy the flight is down on the inside, compelled to lead. Punchline in the middle, Rocky Peller. Miss Manila comes next, Pleasure Giver. While Gifted Champ is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Barefoot contest, where length and a half. Moving up down on the inside is Enjoy the Flight, and on the outside third is Cuts away. Then next on line is Punchline. Miss Manila comes next, compelled to lead, Pleasure Giver. Then next on line is Gifted Champ, while Rocky Peller now racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have entry for Barefoot contest by over the head, down on the inside. Enjoy the Flight, 3 lengths further back. In third comes Cuts away. Miss Manila is done in fourth. Punchline compelled to lead, and next on line is Pleasure Giver. Then down on the inside is Gifted Champ, while Rocky Peller is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Barefoot contest takes command, and in second is Enjoy the Flight. Cuts away, moving up. Punchline on the outside, and as they swing for home, Barefoot contest Punchline. Down on the inside is Cuts away with about 100 meters of the race. Punchline, Barefoot Contessa, Punchline is on the outside, but it's still Barefoot Contessa, and finally Barefoot Contessa. Punchline, Cuts away, Miss Manila, Pleasure Giver, and Enjoy the Flight for your Super 6.
438-521. Yan.